What's going on, everybody? So in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about exactly what is ClickFunnels and also how you can start making money with ClickFunnels in 2020. So my family members have been asking me, Jonathan, what is ClickFunnels and why are you even using it? How can I use it for my business? I've had a lot of friends and family ask me. So I'm going to try to break this video down for someone that has never heard about ClickFunnels. I'm going to show you examples on how you can use ClickFunnels for your business and also how you can start making money with it today, okay? So first of all, guys, if you haven't heard of me, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing using ClickFunnels to do affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of ways to make money. So if you are interested in learning that, please subscribe to the channel and like this video, comment if you have any questions. So let's go ahead and get started. So, all right, what is ClickFunnels? All right. Very simply, it's a drag and drop website builder. Okay, so back in the day, you would have to get a team of people to create your website. It would take months to do. Now you can do it in literally like minutes. Okay, so that's the cool thing about ClickFunnels. Now, what you can do with ClickFunnels for your business is you can automate your sales process. So instead of having like a salesperson, instead of having like someone sending out emails, you can literally automate your whole business. Okay, so you can collect leads for your business, but you can also automate your whole sales process. I'm going to show you kind of an example of what I do in my businesses. So I have 3 businesses that I use ClickFunnels with. So I'm going to show you pretty much all of them right now. Okay, so let's just say you wanted to collect leads for your business. Okay, so I have a business locally here in Albuquerque, New Mexico, called Conquer Fitness Preps. We do meal prepping services for people. So there was a contest we had at an event we were doing, and we used ClickFunnels to collect email leads. So for example, this is one of the pages we built. Okay, and this literally took me about 5 minutes to do. So it says enter to win free meal preps for Conquer Fitness for a week. Okay, so obviously we're trying to get someone's full name, their phone number, and their email address. Okay, so this is one way you can use ClickFunnels is to collect leads, right? So you can collect emails, you can collect phone numbers, and this is, very important as a business owner. If you're doing real estate, if you're doing like a local business, even online stuff, you have to collect leads, right? So this, once someone enters their email, all this information is stored into an autoresponder, okay? So, but what ClickFunnels does is it bridges the gap from the customer to your autoresponder or wherever you're storing the leads, right? So that's one example, okay? Now, I have another business. It's an online fitness and coaching business that we do, my wife and I. But this whole process is literally all automated in ClickFunnels, okay? So here's another example here. This one is basically it's a membership program for online coaching, okay? So basically what we do here is this is all automated. So the cool thing with ClickFunnels is it's not like a website where there's a bunch of different options. Literally with a funnel, you're having someone do one thing only. Okay, in this case, they're only gonna actually 2 things. They're either gonna leave the website or they're gonna sign up for your program. Right? That's like the only 2 things that can happen. Whereas a website, like for example, we have Apple.com. Now there's a bunch of different options. We have all these options here. Now with the funnel, it's just one thing you want them to do. So it's a laser focused on what you want the customer to do, right? So whether it's getting a lead or you're trying to automate your whole sales process. So for example, like I said, here we're just trying to get a lead, but in here we're actually trying to get information from the customer, like their credit card information, so they can sign up for our program, right? So for example here, obviously with the funnel, you can kind of build this out. You can add pictures, you can add words, you can add videos, and all this here is just trying to promote our program, right? This is my wife and I. But the main goal of this page is to get someone to sign up. As you can see, you can't do anything else on this page besides sign up. So let's just say, yes, I want to sign up. So they click here. And they can literally just enter their information, and basically, with ClickFunnels, it allows you to do all this stuff right here. So I can take credit card information right on the page, okay? And you can automate it by putting a video. So this is a video sales, like this is my wife and I talking about why they should join the program. So what I'm saying is you can literally automate your whole sales process. So it's very, very powerful, okay? So it's basically 3 main things you can do. It's a drag and drop website builder. It allows you to collect leads, like I said here. or it allows you to, automate your whole sales process like we're doing here. Now I have another business, with affiliate marketing. I actually sell other people's products online, and which is called affiliate marketing. This is another thing I do here. So I'm also collecting a lead. Okay, so another example here. Basically, I'm collecting their email leads. So let's just say enter an email. I want access. So from here, this is all automated, right? So from here, here's a page of me talking, and then from here, this is an affiliate marketing product, so I would send them to a product that I'm promoting. So from here, I send them to the someone else's product, but I'm collecting a lead using ClickFunnels, okay? So that's basically what we're doing here. So I'm gonna get out of these real quick and talk to you guys about how you can start making money with ClickFunnels, okay? But here's some amazing features that you can do. Okay, so website hosting. Okay, this is all included within ClickFunnels, so you don't have to go to like GoDaddy.com and grab like a website name. You can do that within ClickFunnels. And what's cool is they give you a free host. Okay, or free website name. Okay, they give you a free website name, which is really cool because that's included, right? They give you landing page design. So like if you want to create a landing page like I was showing you, that you can literally choose a template that's already done for you. So for example, if we go to ClickFunnels here, and let's just say we want to create a funnel, okay? So if we go to ClickFunnels and let's just say we want to create a opt-in funnel or a lead funnel where we're just trying to get emails, you can literally just go to add new right here. I'm going to show you how easy this is, okay? Let's just go to classic. You create new funnel. Let's just say we want to collect leads. So we collect leads. I'm just going to put test here. You can name it whatever you want. I'm going to say build funnel. And from here, we can simply choose a template that we want to use for ClickFunnels, and it makes it really, really easy to do. Like they literally just make it super, super easy. Like I can do this in 5 minutes, right? Now, some people might get, if you're first getting into it, it might be a little confusing, but that's why I'm showing you this video so I can show you how easy this is, okay? So if you go to opt-in, opt-in, like I said, you're just trying to get email leads, right, for your business. You can literally choose any of these pages here and then just change them out however you like. So these are the templates I'm talking about, okay? So, you got your landing page templates and designs. Another thing is you can do is A/B testing. This is extremely powerful. So if I go back to one of my pages here, A/B testing basically means, you have two pages here and you're sending people to, one or the other. But basically what ClickFunnels does is it tells you, this page is performing better. So, go with this page, and then let's just say, this page is performing better. So I can declare this as a winner and then create another page and split test something else. So in this case, you can see I'm split testing the headline, right? So I don't know if you can see that completely, but I'm testing the headline here, okay? So I'm testing like the main words, okay? But, once I figure out which one works better, I can let ClickFunnels choose, based on the stats, and then, do another headline or a different button color. I can test different colors of the button. So that's basically very, very powerful, right? Because you can see which pages are doing better. And also what's cool is you can look at the stats, okay? So for this specific page here, this is for an affiliate marketing product that I'm selling, that I'm promoting. I can see the stats on this product. So in the last 7 days, you can see, I've had 363 page views. I've had 108 people enter their email. So you can see like what's going on in your funnel. So the stats are very powerful, okay? So that's kind of another thing you can do there. Like I said, email autoresponder is very important because once they enter their email, you can literally just send them a sequence of emails, using ClickFunnels. Or if you have like another autoresponder, I use GetResponse, you can use that as well. You can connect that with ClickFunnels and, send people emails on autopilot, okay? And then basically this is like if you're selling your own product here, you can have, like say, I want people to sell my product, you can have an affiliate management system within ClickFunnels, okay? So it's a little more complicated, but you do have that option, okay? And then they do have integrated payment systems like PayPal and Stripe. So like if I want to collect payment from somebody, basically I can, use their system called Stripe or PayPal and basically collect payment, and it goes straight to my bank account. So super, super cool. And then basically they have really good, training and support within ClickFunnels, okay? So I know what you're thinking. How can I make money on ClickFunnels today? All right, there's two things you can do. Well, there's several things you can do, but two main things, okay? The main thing is obviously, creating your own product, right? You can create your own product. The The thing with that is obviously you have to have a little bit of knowledge on, how to create a product, how to do all that stuff. But it's very powerful because you get 100% of the profits, right? You get 100%, 100% of the profits for the most part, right? So creating product is pretty cool because you can literally create a book, make a funnel to that book, or you can do like a membership group like what I did with my fitness program. You can do that as well. But what I recommend doing in the beginning, if you're trying to make money with ClickFunnels, is doing affiliate marketing. Okay, so affiliate marketing is really cool because you're selling other people's products. Okay, so let me make sure. So affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is what I started doing in ClickFunnels, and it's really cool because I literally just collect emails. Okay, so like what I'm doing here, I'm literally collecting emails. I'm building up, my personal brand, right, with affiliate marketing, but I'm selling other people's products. So right here, this is all a funnel for selling someone else's product, right? So what I recommend when you first get started with ClickFunnels, if you have no idea what to do, I would recommend doing affiliate marketing because you can sell an already proven product. The sales process is already done for you. All you literally got to do is create like this page here where you're collecting emails, right? And then you can send them to the actual sales page that the affiliate marketing system or program gives to you, okay? So that's what I recommend doing, as a complete beginner. Now you can create your own product. That you can definitely do that, but like I said, it takes more time because you have to create the product, you got to shoot the videos, you got to write the emails. Whereas with affiliate marketing, you literally just like send them to a system that's already done for you and it's proven, right? You want to pick a product that is proven, right? So that's what I recommend. And what's cool is you can promote ClickFunnels as an affiliate. I used to do that when I first got started. I used to promote ClickFunnels, and they pay really well. I think up to 40%. And then you could also promote like courses. Courses are going to be like the best thing you can do. So I recommend promoting courses if you want to do affiliate marketing. Okay. Now, obviously, you can collect leads for your personal business, like real estate, or if you have like a local business, you can collect leads, and obviously you can make money that way, right? So you can do collecting leads for your own business. So that's basically 3 things you can do with ClickFunnels, right? But if you're trying to make money like today, you don't have a business, you don't know what to promote, I definitely recommend affiliate marketing. That has literally changed my life, and you can make a lot of money because you can sell, higher ticket products, okay? So that's what I recommend. If you are interested in learning about affiliate marketing, it's going to be the first link in the description below. It's going to be a system that it takes you through, and it teaches you how to do affiliate marketing. It's like $7. It'll literally show you how to start from beginning to end and how to start your online business with affiliate marketing. Okay, so if you are interested in that, check that out. Also, if you do want to use ClickFunnels 14 days for free, I'm going to give you a link so you can get started with ClickFunnels absolutely free. You can start going in there, dragging and dropping. You can literally like I said, if I want to go in here and make a change, I go to edit page. And I can literally just change the words. I can change the button. I can change the button color. I can do so many things with ClickFunnels that is really cool, So I can go in here and literally just change out the page within like seconds, okay? So if I go here, let me see if I can find, oh, here we go. So here's the page here. Obviously, you can see I have some words here. I have a picture. I can literally go in here and change this up. I literally click this and then, change up the words here, right? So I can do that. I can change the color here. So if I click this, I can change the color of this button, which is something you can test. So if you want to change this to like red, you can do that. So yeah, you can definitely do that. Obviously, I'm not going to save this, but yeah, so really, really easy to do. I'm going to leave a link. It's going to be the second link to get a 14-day free trial of ClickFunnels, and that'll get you started. It'll help you, start messing with different funnels, start collecting email leads for your business. So definitely recommend ClickFunnels to automate your business. It literally has changed my life and all of my businesses. As you can see, I use it in all of my businesses. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value to you. Like I said, if you are looking to do, make money online, that's going to be the first link in the description below. It shows you how to start an affiliate marketing business from beginning to end. Now, if you do want the 14-day free trial, it's going to be the second link in the description. And so I hope you found value in this video. Please like this video, comment, Subscribe to the channel. It helps me grow on YouTube, and I would really appreciate that. So anyways, guys, you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.